Claude has been sitting inside one browser tab or desktop app throughout this whole course. Today, Claude leaves that tab. This is lesson 7 of the Claude Master Class. We are covering Claude in Chrome. I'm going to hand Claude a live research task from inside the desktop app and watch it open Chrome, browse a real website, and finish the job. I won't touch the mouse. One thing before we start, Claude in Chrome requires a paid plan. Free accounts can't use it. So for this lesson, you must have a paid plan. Let's set up Claude in Chrome. Open Settings, go to Connectors. You will see Claude in Chrome in the list, like mine. If not, browse and search for it. Click it to configure. Toggle it on. Make sure to turn it off when you don't need it. Otherwise, it can be risky. If you don't have the extension installed yet, it will take you to the Chrome web store to grab it. Click Add to Chrome. Sign in with your Claude account. Authorize the required permissions. As you can see, at the time of recording this video, Claude in Chrome is a beta project. So, as I said before, keep it off when it's not needed. Pin the extension so it's easy to find. There are two ways to use this. One, click the Claude icon in your Chrome toolbar. That opens a side panel next to whatever page you're on. For the first time, it will ask for authorization for a few permissions. 2. Stay in your desktop app. Turn on the Claude in Chrome connector for that conversation and ask Claude to do something that needs a browser. Back in the desktop app, open a new chat, switch to co-work mode as this feature is not available for regular chat yet. You can turn Claude in Chrome on and off using the plus sign in the chat bar. Let's try option 2 first and give Claude a real research task. By using Claude in Chrome, go to the BBC News website, find the top story related to AI and summarize it in 3 bullet points. It will ask for permission to access the site. And here's the summary. If I go back to the browser, I can see the BBC website tabs used by Claude, even though I never touched the browser. Notice something in Chrome. Claude opened that page inside its own tab group in a different color from your normal tabs. That's on purpose. You can always tell which tabs are yours and which ones Claude is driving. If I drag one of the Wikipedia tabs into that group, Claude can now see and act on that tab too. Close the other tab. Now let's ask Claude to give bullet point information on this page. It will scan the page and give it right in the side tab. So now I can use Claude anywhere I want. An honest warning here before we close. Claude in Chrome can be tricked. Hidden instructions on a bad web page can try to hijack what Claude does. Start with sites you trust. If Claude ever tries something financial or anything that looks off, stop it and check. On the safe side, keep Claude in Chrome off if you don't need it. That's Claude in Chrome. This was the last video in Module 2. In the next module, Module 3, we will cover how to use Claude with Google Workspace apps. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.